puppy. Stay. 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 Just keep walking, dude. It's funny because I have the leash. So
The leash? Okay.
Slow down. Good puppy. No, stay. Stay. Don't run away. Don't run away. Stay. Stay. Okay, dog. Take a left. Take a left. Just keep walking, puppy. Follow my voice.
Well, there's an opening right here.
Oh, I just got outsmarted by my bitch. Get in there. Get in there. Okay. No one gotta go to the garage. Don't want you to get hurt. I don't want my little dog to get my little fancy pup. Okay, now you can roam and be free.
Are we throwing the ball first?
Yeah, but if you want to run around and go get the ball. Okay. Okay, now like a dog, you can run and be free. Or not. Okay. Yeah, go out there. Go out, puppy. I gotta throw it to you. Get the ball! Get the ball! Go get the ball! Go get the... Get the ball! Bring it back! Bring back the ball! Bring back the ball, puppy! Bring it back! Bring it back!
I can't. I really can't.
Good puppy. Good puppy. Okay. Let's see if we can play frisbee. Go back here. I'll do. Go out a little bit ways, puppy.
So throw the ball first.
Okay. You want to throw the ball again? You want the ball again? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay.
You're doing the frisbee?
Yeah, so go out and try to catch that puppy. Don't go too far, man. So we try to. Oh my God, this is gonna be so hard. Look at me commit to. Look at you commit to the bit. Wow, dog, you can actually hold a frisbee? That's amazing. All right. You're so far. I can't catch that.
Am I too far?
That, a little bit closer, puppy. Okay, here we go. Oh!
Where'd it go?
It's right behind you. Almost had it. One more time.
You didn't hit me?
It almost hit you there. I almost got you.
I didn't know puppies walked on their back feet.
I know, right? This is a good dog. There we go.
I thought puppies walked on all 4 feet.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, you're burning to death. Right there. A couple more times. And then you're free of your fantasy.
You should be on all 4 feet.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
This is not a dog.
This is a really highly trained dog.
Yeah, I'm more like a bear.
Yeah. Here we go. All right. Oh! That's the closest I'm probably going to get. Oh. Good try, puppy. Come back. Good dog. Good dog.
Oh, here we go.
Good doggy. Good doggy. You gotta look pretty. You gotta look pretty in the park, puppy. Good dog. Where's your collar? Okay, don't run away. All right, now, do your tricks. Sit.
I am sitting.
Roll over. Play that, puppy. Play that. Okay, get up, puppy. Get up. All right, now shake. Shake. Final thing. Roll over. One more time. Roll over, puppy. One more time. Good dog. Good fantasy dog. Good puppy. Good. Good puppy. Good puppy. And now that I've taught my dog tricks, I will walk it out of the park. Let's get the collar on you one more time. Almost got the frisbee. We'll keep practicing that puppy. Okay. All right.
We ready?
We are ready. Walk you out of here. Oh, there you go. Good dog. What a good puppy. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're right, good dog. Aw. Keep walking. Keep walking. Stay. If I ever get a girlfriend, I might try this.
With or without the dog?
Probably without the dog. We'll see how it goes. All right. Good dog. Good dog. Good puppy. Good puppy. And see.